Here's everybody's favorite Schindler 338. Here is ZARA in the shops at Hudson Yards. Looks like the seal piece loose again. This is gonna be my first 338 on my August of 2018. Let's go to 2. Ooh, it's powerful. I got a low battery, so I don't even care for another ride. Let's go back down to 1. This elevator was installed, I think probably around August 2018, where the interlock was manufactured. Capacity is 2,500, and there's also and it has a push button phone, which you're probably going to need that in case you get stuck. Medical emergency. You're probably going to need that if Fixtures has abrasions. And that's it.